Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drink collagen powder in water easy method. Measure 1 scoop of collagen, add 8 ounces of cool water, and stir briskly for about 20 seconds until the powder dissolves. If you see clumps, let the mixture sit briefly and stir again to smooth it out. Add a squeeze of lemon or a splash of juice for flavor and enjoy immediately for best texture. Do this every morning. Use a clear bottle or glass so you can watch mixing and aim for consistent results each time. Prefer a whisk, small frother, or shaker with a ball to break up powder fast and avoid clumps. Warm water can help dissolve faster, but avoid boiling temperatures to protect protein quality. Try cold water for better taste or mix into smoothies. Always measure with the scoop to maintain proper serving size and benefits. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy health tips. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders for easy mixing. It's handy for shaking collagen on the go and avoids spills while you mix. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid these common mistakes to keep your drink pleasant and effective. Never pour collagen into boiling water right away because heat can change texture. Don't overload the scoop since too much powder will thicken and clump. If you notice bitterness, mix with citrus, juice, or a smoothie to balance flavor naturally. Be patient when stirring, or use a shaker bottle for consistent smoothness. Small tweaks make a big difference in taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.